What are you eating?
Just ginger. Should eat one.
Dried ginger?
It's like crystalized.
Oh.
It's very good.
Like candy.
I'm gonna throw it in there.
Oh.
Just to see what happens. Alright.
What are we making today?
We're gonna make some mulled wine, also known as glögg, if you're Swedish, or glühwein, if you're German.
Is that from Europe?
It's mostly like Northern European countries is where it's really popular. I don't know where it was invented.
I see.
There's not a lot of rules when it comes to mulled wine. You just take some wine and make it hot, and then you add some flavors to it. So today the flavors we're adding, I guess, orange zest.
A lot of peels.
It's one orange worth of peels. We're gonna do some cloves. Or sorry, this is allspice, but we are gonna do some cloves as well. Because I like cloves. Doesn't have to be exact because it's a spice. So spices are to taste. Maybe not that many cloves. Maybe a little bit more allspice. And then
That was like a tablespoon of allspice and
half of cloves. And then a random amount of crystalized ginger.
Okay.
That stuff tasted really good. And then probably for this size of a batch, since we're going to a party later, add a couple cinnamon sticks.
So how much wine are we using?
We're using about 2 bottles, minus what we tasted.
So how many servings do you think this will make?
Depends how big your servings are.
How many glasses?
If you're using 6-ounce glasses, like
Enough.
15?
For a party.
15
glasses?
6-ounce glasses.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough for a party.
So we put all the dry stuff in first. We don't even heat up the wine.
We're gonna heat it up, don't worry.
No.
And we're not gonna like boil it for an hour. We're gonna just bring it up to temp just to let the spices open up. Alright, how hard are we partying? We're partying like
Not very hard.
8 ounces? Okay, just 8 ounces of brandy then. Instead of 12.
It already smells really good.
Optional, yeah, because it's brandy. And then 24 ounces of this apple cider. I'm gonna turn on the heat just to, get it started.
Do we want it on high heat or
No,
does our stove just
Our stove sucks.
sucks?
So does all of our pottery and stuff. Okay. So we're using a low-dye Zinfandel because it's nice and fruity, delicious, perfect for mulled wine. And it's not that important what wine you use because you're doing this to it. Also, if you
So just find a cheap one.
if you're ever batching stuff, pouring stuff out of a bottle, if you spin it, it comes out way faster. It'll save you like a few seconds for each bottle. Cool. Oh, the second bottle was a Merlot.
Is there a reason why we're mixing wine?
Just to see what it tastes like.
Okay. So we're not following a
We're not following any
recipe,
rules.
right?
I mean,
here.
there's not a lot of rules to mulled wine.
So how long do you want this to sit for?
You want it to like start bubbling on the sides, and then you want to turn it down to low, and then just like let it hang out for a while.
Okay. So I guess.
And then just serve it warm.
It's bubbling. So now we turn it to low. Can you not?
It's boiling too much.
Can you not use the bar spoon?
What else am I using it for?
So how long do you want it to sit in low for?
At least like 20 minutes.
We're just gonna let it sit here for 20 minutes.
Just let it at least, if not more.
At least 20 minutes. It's been sitting here for like 20 minutes now?
30, 35.
30? It's almost done, right? Or is it?
It's pretty much done.
Okay. So now we're just gonna strain it.
We're gonna strain it and then drink it.
What are we burning over here?
This is
Sugar and like...
just sugar and overproof rum.
Okay. And you just stir it in?
You just stir it in. It's just fun to light stuff on fire.
I see. Does it taste like 151?
No, it just tastes like mulled wine.
Okay. Good.
Oh, this is so good. Why didn't we do this before?
This is the perfect weather to do it.
Because it's the first cold day. You're right. We literally immediately did it as soon as it got cold. Let's try it in this glass.
So we have all the wine in these thermos right here.
Yeah. Delicious.
So how do we garnish it? Or do we garnish
Just
it?
grate some nutmeg on top. Here, let's grate nutmeg on top on the porch.